In Windows 11, I'm going to show you how to change the background. So I'm just going to right-click anywhere on the screen, and I'm going to choose Personalize. And once I've chosen Personalize, I have the option under Background. I could choose either a solid color or a slideshow, or I could just leave it as a picture. So if I click on the picture, I click on Browse, I can actually browse to one of my own pictures if I'd like, and choose that as the background. Or I can choose any one of the pictures that are in that list. If I choose solid color, we can see all the different colors from which we can choose. I'll just choose this gray option, for instance, and I don't even have to click save. I can just minimize this, and you can see it's all set to gray at this point. And if I want, I can choose a custom color here, or I could choose a slideshow made up of a grouping of my pictures. Now, I don't have any pictures on there yet, but if I did that, it will just scroll through various different pictures that I have in my pictures folder. I'm going to change it back to picture and just choose a different picture and click minimize, and you can see now I'm using the new picture. So that is how we change the background in our Windows 11 computer.